Okay, so thanks for coming to you new to me, and we're going to get in the RV and we're going to install a toilet today. So here we go, and there's the toilet, a couple wrenches, and the lid and the seat just snap in place. So here is the toilet area. As you can see, the sink and the line and all that other good stuff. And I am going to remove this, and I'm going to bring the toilet and sit it into place. Alright, so here we go. And the toilet seal and everything is already in place. We're going to line up the bolts. Okay. Bolts there. And bolts there. We're going to put a washer and a nut on this side. Probably can't see very much. Pretty much going by feel. Okay. And a nut and a washer down on this side. Before I tighten those up with the wrench, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the water line. I'm going to take this off of my head and see if maybe I can capture what is back behind here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. And I'm only guessing that you'll be able to see me attach the water line. And here's the water line. And I'm probably, well, I can't see a thing, so I will come back here in just a second. I'm going to hook the water up first. That's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to center the toilet onto the two mounting bolts. Okay. So that's in place. And on those two mounting bolts, I'm going to put the installation nuts with the washer in place. I have one side. I am now going to put the other side on. Okay. And I'm going to use a wrench and snug up these nuts a little bit so I can make sure the toilet is snug. We don't want it to leak any gases or whatever. And I know you probably can't see very much of this, which I can't see it either. I'm pretty much going by feel. Okay, so the toilet is pretty snug, and I'm just gonna reach back around here and tighten the water up. And I'm gonna go turn on the master switch so that I can turn on the water pump and see if I have any leaks. So there's the master on, and we'll go back here and we'll turn on the 12-volt pump. Oh yeah, I have to turn the water on first. Okay. Wow, everything looks like it's supposed to. And I'll dump. Now this has a second valve. You can see the, if I put my finger on the gray one, it opens and runs the water. If I close it and I just put the white on, you notice it just pumps water. So there you go. Now let me snap the toilet seat and the lid back in place, and I think this project is going to be over. Okay, so there's one, and I'm gonna pretty surely guess that the lid, there it goes. There it is. So just so you know, I was able to get some of this fixed. You can see the crack still here, and you can see the outline of the crack is still there, but at least it's not like it was. So there you go, the all new toilet. So we'll collect our tools and another project done. Thanks for watching New to Me. I think the next project will probably be the generator, oil change, fuel filter, and air filter. So check back. Never-ending projects. New to Me. Thanks. Hey, and if you think about it, subscribe. That would be really nice. Take care.